Aloha guys, Sabrina here from Mana Cruises. The question on everyone's mind, how much does a charter cost? How much should it cost? Today, we're going to answer those questions. Chartering costs vary depending where you are. In regards to Hawaii, charters typically charge per hour. A normal charter rate varies between $500 and $800 per hour, but remember guys, this charter rate may only just include the boat. Captain and crew, food and drink may not be included, even fuel may not be included. Anything lower or higher may be of lower quality or higher quality. So make sure that you ask what is included in your price. In some cases, private charters can be shared. In this case, per-seat rates can give you the chance to experience a full charter at a fraction of the cost. In many cases, couples and small families opt to do this to avoid large boat tours, including 60 to 100 people. When searching for a charter in this day and age, customer reviews are huge. Make sure to look online for latest reviews. We recommend looking at TripAdvisor. They have the most honest and trusted reviews. To sum it up guys, be sure to know your price and to know what's included. We hope this video has been helpful in providing you information on pricing and inclusions. If you guys have any questions, be sure to visit us at manacruises.com. We hope to see you on the water.